Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Idara here again, and I'm super excited to be filming again. So today I just thought of doing a vlog for the whole of the week, and I have a lot going on this week, so I wanted you guys to see it. And today is Monday, the 13th of July, and I am super excited. The way I'm sweaty, I just finished working out, and I said let me film a little bit, although I did not film my workout routine, probably later or some other time. Today I would be going through my daily routine. I'm going out with my sister later today. I will be going to the bank, and from there onward I will be working constantly on my laptop. I will be doing some researches and replying some emails and all of that. That is basically what I'll be doing today. And then tomorrow I'll be going out with a friend of mine, and you all will have to experience all of that. So with that being said, I will just go take a shower and prepare to go with my sister. So I'll see you guys later. So we are out right now, just taking a stroll down to the bank, and we'll be spending like maximum 30 minutes. And that's my sister. Hi, babe.
Sorry.
Hey.
Just like that. So we are strolling, and we are on fasting.
Oh, there I am. Yes.
We are on fasting, and you know what? Don't look bad when you're on fasting.
No. You
have
have to
look
look
shining.
gorgeous.
So that's why we're shining.
Shining. Yeah. Do you know the song, right?
I don't know.
But you sang along.
So
Schließen Kasse 3. Bitte legen Sie keine weiteren Einkäufe mehr auf das Kassen.
So let's go. I can take off the mascara and I literally we're out of the store, and he looks cute. The person over there looks cute. Well, hey guys, how you guys doing? Today's Tuesday, and I have an appointment by 13 o'clock. That's like 1 p.m. And I just want to do a very quick makeup. I already did my morning routine. I walked out and I took a shower, and yeah, I just want to do a very light makeup and then go meet my friend. We want to apply for some schools, and she asked to do that together. Yeah, and so I made the appointment of doing that today with her. So we are going to be helping each other out. That will be it. guess my very 5 minutes makeup is done. Okay people, so I just arrived in a cafe my friend chose, and it's lovely in here. That is she doesn't want to be seen, so let's respect that. Probably she'll change her mind in the future. Let's hope for that. Finger crossed. But always extra careful.
Yeah.
So people, we are done with research and application, I mean for today. So we just want to hang out and just talk and just laugh. Hey guys, it's the third day of my vlog, and it's already like almost 1:30 in the afternoon, and I didn't film in the morning, just this afternoon, because I didn't have a lot going on in the morning, and my sister is about to film a video, so I want to set up the lighting for her, and you guys just see as I do that, okay?
A little gauzy.
Alright guys, so I'm done setting up for her, and gonna be using the stative, and while she's filming I'll be doing some stuff on my laptop and just look at the way she's doing her own stuff. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the settings. There she goes. This is a makeup setting, because she, on her YouTube channel, she does makeup tutorials, and we haven't gotten a real table where she can put her stuff, her makeup stuff, so we do use this ironing board as a table for now, and she'll be putting her stuff while she was filming at the same time. And this is the stative we're using, I think I mentioned that. And we film at that very corner there in our sitting room, because we are renovating our room for now, and so we're just making use of this little space that we've got here. So basically that's it for today. That's all I have to do for today, and later on by 6 p.m. we'll be praying online, right?
Are you asking me?
No, I was just saying. We're praying online, and that's basically it for today. We are done with the video. And that's the look she created. You guys like it? We're about to pack back and clear this place and get prepared for church. So till tomorrow guys. So hey guys, it's Thursday and Thursday evening already, so it's like 4 p.m. if I'm not mistaken, and I haven't had a lot going on today, and I've just been sitting on my laptop doing some stuff, and I walked out with my sister, just a normal routine. And right now she is baking a protein cake, and I wanted you guys to see it, although the process is far gone. Nevertheless, I want you guys to see it, so yeah. Hey, what's up guys? Today is Friday. Finally it's Friday, thank God it's Friday, and probably will be the last day of my vlogging. And I am on my way to check out the place that I have an interview next week, and I just do this all the time to confirm the place so that I wouldn't be late on the D-Day. So I'm just on my way right there, and after that I'll just come back home. I'll run one or two errands for my mom, and then I'll just come back home. So guys, I am looking for the place exactly and I cannot find it. So I'm hoping it should be here. I don't know, I'm not sure. Oh, actually it is the place and I passed it. Okay, this is exactly where I'm going to. And where is that? Okay, of course. Oh, here. This is where I have my interview. Right. It took me a long time to realize that this is the place actually. So I just asked some nice people and they told me the direction of where to go. And right now, I already found the place and I'm on my way home. So I'm done with that and I'll just run 2 or 3 errands and then finally find myself home and do some research because there is something that's on my mind that I need to research on, and I'll just do that today and then I'll go to church. That's the last thing I have to do today is to go to church and end the vlog. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm in church right now. Right there is the entrance and just about to start praying. I don't know why I'm not speaking too loud. Just about to start praying. So at the course of the service I'll just put 2 or 3 clips right at the corner so you guys will see it. Morning guys. Come babe.
Like this. Good morning.
Okay, so it's Saturday. I wasn't able to end this vlog properly yesterday. So after church, I just came back home, made dinner, and my sister came around with my niece, and then we just had fun throughout the night till 2 a.m. in the morning. And I think I slept 4 a.m. This morning. So I just woke up. I'm preparing protein pancake for breakfast for myself and my sister, and yeah, so I think it's a good time to end this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.